Dumelang Sanbonani Molweni Absheni. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Kanyisile Dibe. I'm a foundation phase teacher and I teach grade 3s. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much guys for the love. I really appreciate it. Your views and the likes and all the comments that you guys leave down below on all my videos. We are still on the series of problem solving using various strategies. So today we are going to work on a multiplicative word sum. However, we are going to solve it using arrays. So far, I've captured solving problems using building up and breaking down method. I've done a video on that. Jump strategy, bridging through 10, solving using the combine, part whole, and compare. The strategies that so far we have covered. So let's get on today's word sum. It's a multiplicative word problem. We are going to solve it using arrays. We use arrays to show multiplication in columns or in rows. Now, Gogo puts out 4 rows of potatoes. She puts out 4 rows of potatoes on a chopping board. Each row has 6 potatoes. Each stands for 1. Each row has 6 potatoes. How many potatoes does she put out? That's what we need to represent in an array form. Now, we know that there's 4 rows, and in each row there are 4 potatoes. Let's lay it out. There's 4 potatoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 6. 5, 6. So we have our 4 rows, and in each row there's 6 potatoes. Now in this case, we know that there's a group, in each row there's a group of 6 potatoes. Now we need to write down the number sentence. However, before we write the number sentence, you need to give your child or your children a chance to skip count. They can either do it in counting in 4s or counting in 6. We can count 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Or skip counting in 6, 6, 12, 18, 24. Therefore, our number sentence is 4 times 6 equals to 24, or 6 times 4 equals to 24. I hope we're still together. So in total, Gogo put out 24 potatoes. She put out 24 potatoes on a chopping board. The next example that I want to work on. Mia puts strawberries in a row. We know that we show multiplicative word problems using rows or columns. She puts out 5 rows. Now we know the total number of rows. They are 5. And in each of the 5, there are 4 strawberries in each. Remember I said they each represent a 1. When we do multiplication, it's important to remind your learners or your child that with multiplication, we create the bigger number. With division, we are given. The bigger number is known. So in this case, because we are working on a multiplicative word sum, we are going to create the bigger number. So how many strawberries does Mia put out on a tray? We have okay, let's do this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are representing my strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because they said in each row there are 4. And there's how many rows? 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, we can skip count, or you can allow your learners or your child to skip count in 4s or in 5s. I think 4s is easier because there's 5 rows. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. Let's count. It's 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Therefore, our number sentence will be 4 times 5 equals to 20. Or they can count in 5s. How many times? 4 times. 5 times 4 equals to 20. Therefore, how many strawberries did Mia put out on a tray? She put out 20 strawberries. You see now, with multiplication, we create the bigger number. With division, we are given the bigger number. The bigger number is known. That is how you pick up if a number sentence, if a problem solving is division or it's multiplication. This is it. And if you watched up to this far, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, or give the video a thumbs up by the comment section. Thank you.